before the offer, how to handle the question, what is your biggest weakness? Number one, interviewers want to know that you're self-aware. Number two, they're looking to find out if you're results-oriented. And number three, they want to hear about the persistence that you showcase by achieving the goals that you set for yourself. There's a new framework that's replaced the old adage of take a weakness and turn it into a strength. This new framework is you want to highlight something that either yourself or your supervisor identified maybe a year or two ago as an area for improvement. Then you want to talk about the goals that you set for yourself in order to correct this weakness. And third, you want to highlight a more recent example that showcases that it's not a weakness that you're bringing with you to the company that you're interviewing with today. Comment below. Let us know how you handled this question in the past. And then share this video with anyone you think it can help. Good luck out there.